Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can convert the Woocommerce blocks checkout into the classic checkout or default Woocommerce checkout. So let's get started. By default, Woocommerce now uses blocks to display the cart and checkout pages. While this looks modern, the problem is that many plugins like event booking or custom field extensions are not yet fully compatible with the block checkout. That's why switching back to the classic checkout is often the best solution. First, open your checkout page and click on Edit Page from the top menu. This will load the editor. Select the checkout block, and on the right-hand side you'll see an option that says Switch to Classic Checkout. Click that option and then save the page. After that, refresh your checkout page, and you'll now see the default Woocommerce checkout form. Finally, with both cart and checkout switched back to classic mode, all your plugins that rely on the default Woocommerce setup will work smoothly without any issues. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.